Conversation 1. Taxi to airport.
Hello. Can you take me to the airport?
Sure. Please get in.
How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes if no traffic.
I have a flight at 6 p.m.
Don't worry. We have enough time.
Do you know the fastest way?
Yes. I will take the highway.
How much is the fare?
It's $20.
Here is $25. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a safe flight.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Conversation 2. Taxi to university.
Good morning. Are you free?
Yes, I am. Where to?
I need to go to the university.
Sure. Please sit down.
Is there a lot of traffic today?
Not much. It's still early.
How far is it?
About 6 kilometers.
Can you take me to the main gate?
Yes, no problem.
How much do I pay?
$7, please.
Here you go. Thanks.
You're welcome. Good luck with your class.
Conversation 3. Taxi late at night.
Hello. Are you working now?
Yes. Even at night.
Can you take me to my hotel?
Sure. What's the name?
Sunlight Hotel, near Fifth Avenue.
I know that place. Let's go.
Is it safe at night?
Don't worry. It's a safe area.
Thank you for working late.
No problem. It's my job.
How much is it?
$15.
Here is $15.
Thanks. Sleep well.
Conversation 4. Taxi to office.
Hi. Can you take me to my office?
Yes. Where is your office?
On King Street, next to the bank.
Got it. Let's go.
I have a meeting in 20 minutes.
We'll get there on time.
Do you work every morning?
Yes, I start at 6 a.m.
Do you like driving?
Yes, I meet new people every day.
How much do I owe you?
Just $9.
Here's $10. Keep the change.
Thanks. Good luck at your meeting.
Conversation 5. Taxi to hotel from train station.
Hello. I just came by train.
Welcome. Where do you want to go?
I need to go to Grand Hotel.
Okay, please get in.
How far is it from here?
Just 10 minutes.
Is it a nice hotel?
Yes, many guests go there.
I'm tired. It was a long trip.
You can relax now.
How much is the ride?
It's $8.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Have a good rest.
Conversation 6. Taxi ride in the morning.
Good morning. Are you free now?
Yes, good morning. Where to?
Take me to the coffee shop on Main Street.
Sure. Let's go.
Do you want coffee too?
Thanks, but I already had mine.
Is it a busy day today?
Not yet. It's still early.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
How much is it?
$6.
Here's $6. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Conversation 7. Taxi to bus station.
Hello. I need to catch a bus.
Where is your bus going?
To another city. I need to go to the main bus station.
Okay. Get in quickly.
How long will it take to reach?
Around 20 minutes.
I don't want to miss it.
Don't worry, I'll be fast.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much do I need to pay?
$10.
Here's $10.
Have a safe trip.
Conversation 8. Taxi to friend's house.
Hi. Can you take me to my friend's place?
Sure. What's the address?
45 Lakeview Road.
Okay, I know the way.
It's near the school, right?
Yes, I know that area.
How long will it take?
15 minutes.
Can you stop at a bakery on the way?
Yes, no problem.
Thanks. I want to buy a cake.
Great. I like cakes too.
How much for the ride?
$9.
Here's $10.
Thanks. Have fun with your friend.
Conversation 9. Taxi ride with pet.
Hello. Can my dog come with me?
Of course. I like dogs.
Thank you. He's very friendly.
What's his name?
His name is Max.
Hi, Max. Let's go.
I'm taking him to the vet.
I hope he's okay.
Just a checkup.
That's good.
How much is the ride?
$7.
Here's $10. Keep the change.
Thank you. Take care of Max.
Conversation 10. Taxi to cinema.
Hi. Can you take me to the cinema?
Sure. Which one?
The big one on Central Road.
I know it. Let's go.
The movie starts in 20 minutes.
We'll be there soon.
Do you like movies?
Yes, action and comedy.
Me too.
Great. Hope you enjoy the film.
How much is the fare?
$8.
Here's $10.
Thanks. Enjoy your movie.
Great job following our English lesson today. Keep practicing. It helps you get better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Happy learning.